Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how vitamin gummies are made step by step. Follow along as I walk you through the basic ingredients, equipment, and safety steps used in gummy production. I will show how gelatin or pectin, sugar, flavors, vitamins, mixers, cookers, deposits, and cooling tunnels all fit into a small factory line. I'll keep details simple and practical so you can picture each step clearly and easily. Gelatin or pectin forms the chewy base, while sugar and syrups add bulk and sweetness, and citric acid brightens flavor. Vitamins and active ingredients are mixed in under controlled temperatures to protect potency. Then flavors and colors are added in precise amounts. Each ingredient is measured for consistent dosing, and the whole batch is tested for uniformity and quality before moving to the next production step every time. Production uses cookers, mixers, and depositor machines to form uniform gummies at high speed while maintaining hygiene. Mixtures are heated to dissolve sugars and activate gelling agents, then cooled briefly before deposition into molds. Depositors release exact doses, and molds pass through cooling tunnels to set the shape and texture. Excess sugar is removed or polished, then gummies are inspected, coated if needed, and packed in controlled environments to keep potency and freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.